Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to register the Face Unlock option on OPPO Find X9 Ultra. Let's begin. And we can begin by simply going into the settings, scrolling down a little and entering security and privacy. Now go into device unlock, face and fingerprint unlock, and finally face, currently not being enrolled. Before we do anything though, we want to input our current lock screen pattern, so I will do this. And now we have enroll face. For optimal results, keep your face within the frame and avoid excessively bright or dim lighting conditions. This is very important because if you will have what was that? Excessively, yeah. If you will have excessively bright or dim conditions, then the screen unlock using your face won't be as smooth, and chances are you will have troubles with it actually working properly. But yeah, we can pick up our phone and let's hit add now. So as you can see, this is my face, and I'm just looking directly at the camera. I didn't really have to do anything and my face is successfully unlocked. So now I can go into done. We want to make sure that our screen unlock is set on, otherwise we won't be able to actually use it for anything. And now we can lock our screen, and as you can see, I can just look at the thing without clicking anything, and now our screen is turned on. And yeah, that's basically all you want to do. There are some other settings you want to check out. For example, very important one is requires eyes to be open, brighten screen and dim lights, blah 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 blah. But generally speaking, that's all you need to do in order to enroll your face and actually use it as an unlock option. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.